Today I'm going to take this piece of wood, simple piece of pine, and I'm also going to take these two pieces of leather, and I'm going to make a strop that I'll be able to take with me backpacking. Let's go. First thing I did is went ahead and cut that handle to the shape that I want. Something a little bit more comfortable to fit in the hand. Seems like it's got a good fit, perfect size for the pieces of leather that I've got. Two important things about a strop here. First of all, leather has two sides, so make sure that you expose both the smooth and the rough side, and remember that a strop is for honing, not for sharpening. So this will just keep your blades nice and razor sharp while you're on the trail. I cut my leather to size. I'm going to use some of this contact cement. Paint the wood, paint the leather, let it set up a little bit, and then stick it into place just like that. As you can see, those leather pieces were cut oversized so that I can trim them perfectly once everything dries and everything's in place nice and tight. And that's basically what it's going to look like. I'm going to trim these edges here. I might put a little bit of oil on this paddle or handle, whatever you want to call it. Cut that across there. And put a little hole in there for a lanyard. This is going to work very well. I cut all the leather nice and clean to the side of the handle there, and timing is perfect. I can go ahead and hone up my craft blade here. Shouldn't have slipped off the end like that. You need to drag straight across and straight up, and that's how you would strop a razor or very sharp knife. Let's go ahead and get some stain on this, or some oil on this wood, and be done with this project. And here's our finished product. As you can see, I've got a smooth side and a rough side. Did a little wood burning on there. Not that great, but just something to give it a little bit more primitive look. Put a little boiled linseed oil on that handle, and I did say I was putting a lanyard on that, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. Just a quick little lanyard. That's it. I can go ahead and strap this onto my backpack, and I'll always have it with me. Keep all my knives nice and sharp. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and it is pretty much time to go ahead and get out of here. Let's hit the trail. The video's over. You can go now. But hey, before you go, why don't you think about giving me a thumbs up like, or maybe even leaving a comment below. You could consider subscribing to my channel. I know I'd really appreciate it.